Hello friends. I'm here with a new video. Today I am taking you on a magnificent journey into the sky. Meteor showers, mysteries in the sky, and we will talk about NASA's stunning experiments. So, what awaits us in 2025? Great danger in the sky in 2025? Will pieces of Dimorphos actually return to Earth? NASA's impact experiment and the shocking facts of meteor showers. Come on, let's explore together. A strangeness in the sky. Think about it. The night is quiet. Beware. Only the faint rustle of the wind can be heard in the distance. But then, something changes. Bam! First flash of light. Then another. The sky suddenly comes alive. Here's another one. And another one. Within seconds, perhaps hundreds of them are scattered across the sky. Meteor shower? You rub your eyes and look again. But you realize that this image does not resemble a natural event. But what if this was a man-made meteor shower? NASA's DART mission, the collision that changed history. NASA's collision and shocking facts about meteor showers. Date, September 2022. NASA has achieved a first in history. They deliberately crashed into an asteroid called Dimorphos. Aim? Testing our ability to redirect an asteroid. If a truly dangerous asteroid approaches Earth in the future, can we redirect it and change its direction? The experiment was successful. But no one thought that this collision might be the first spark of a new meteor shower. Millions of kilograms of rock and dust blown into space. According to scientists, during this collision, about 1 million kilograms of rock and dust were thrown into space. But these pieces did not disappear. There, they continue to float in the void of space. And according to scientists' estimates, these fragments may enter the Earth's atmosphere in the next 10 to 30 years. What does this mean? For the first time, we might see a man-made meteor shower. But okay. Will this event be just a stunning visual feast? Or is it a sign of a new danger? What about today? Historic moments will happen in the sky in 2025. For sky enthusiasts in 2025, it will be an unforgettable year. However, are we forgetting something? Because this year, we will witness some of the most impressive meteor showers in history. April 2025, Lyrid meteor shower. Will peak on April 21st to 22nd and approximately 20 meteors per hour can be observed. August 2025, Perseid meteor shower. More than 100 meteors per hour will light up the sky on August 12th to 13th. December 2025, Geminid meteor shower. It will reach its peak on December 12th to 13th and create an incredible sight in the sky. But, will this just be a show put on by nature? Great danger in the sky in 2025? What about man-made meteor showers? What if pieces of Dimorphos start entering our atmosphere? Will this be a visual feast or the first signs of disaster? Will these flashing pieces in the sky be an innocent spectacle? Or are they the harbingers of a greater threat? If some of these meteors are larger than expected, if one of them falls to the Earth, are we ready for such a disaster? According to scientists, most pieces will burn up before reaching Earth, but could some larger pieces hit the surface? What could happen as a result of a possible collision? These will be answered in the coming years. Questions we need to find. Remains of Dimorphos. Is she coming back? Are scientists' predictions accurate? What if there is an error in the calculations? What if some of these pieces are large enough to harm our planet? If this is not just a visual feast? If we are approaching a disaster? What can we do to prevent this? Could there be new unexpected events in the sky in the coming years? What do you think? What do you think about such events? Is such a meteor shower dangerous? Or is it just a fascinating natural phenomenon? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more science and space content. You can support us by pressing the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more science and space content. You can support us by pressing the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more and see you in the